Good morning. Okay. This is the first day since I buried Enzo, so I was going to come out and take a peek at her burial spot because it's pretty. And I see that I've got some other neighbors that think it's pretty too. Like, hi, Jan. Oh, let's just get right in the garden there. Come down here. What are they eating? Are they eating my lantana? Well, that might not be my favorite thing. But if they're eating the weeds, that's cool. Right here back by the compost tumbler. This guy doesn't seem to be all that freaked out. What are you eating? You're certainly not scared of me. Oh, you're eating my, whatever that stuff is. I like that stuff. I'd appreciate you not really eating that. How are you doing? You're not very wild, are you? You gonna look at her? Huh. She's letting me pet her. She's not wild at all, so she's obviously been around a lot of humans. That's interesting. That's interesting. Sweet girl. Give her a little scratch behind her ear. All animals like the scratch behind their ear. You must not be pregnant. Oh boy, look at all the kids down in there in the ravine. There's one. There's another. There's another. Oh, and there's another one of my kids. All right, so let's walk up here and see if Mr. Deer wants to come, or Miss Deer. You gonna come with me? Walk up to Enzo's resting space. Make sure that everything looks undisturbed, because we don't want the critters digging. But she's so deep. Yeah, this is her space, and it looks good. Looks good. It's like something was clawing away at the base of the tree there, but everything else looks good.